The moment you do outer world, then you are lost. Then you are, how much did I learn? Make an assessment every day. How much did I learn today? How much do I remember what I have learned? According to you, you are board exam students, how much time do you need to spend in your studies? Qualitative time, not the hours that you, does that not mean, may I have a book please? It does not mean that you have a book in front of you, you have opened this book and you are looking into the book. Does it mean you are studying? How many of you say yes, it is studying? Need not be. I am not talking about how many hours that you spend in study. I am asking you, how much of time, qualitative time do you spend? That's important. Qualitative time in studying. You have spent half an hour reading this. After half an hour, you should know what you read. After half an hour, you should know what you have read. Have you registered them? Now, study trick. What you learn one day. You have learned today something. If you do not repeat it after 7 hours, at least 1 word, 2 words of what you have learned, if you do not repeat, it goes off your mind. If even after 13 hours, if you do not recall what you learned, it again pushes out. Am I clear to you? This is how you need to remember. You learned some concept. After 2 to 3 hours, just simply as you are walking, what is that word? What is that word? Train your brain for memory. Sharpening your memory. If you don't do that, it's out. The more you recall, at least words enough. No need the whole sentence, just words. Just. So that's why when you are studying, make small slips, students. Only write 1 or 2 words. Understood? Just before you go to rest yourself, before your dinner, just read them through and then you go off. Have your dinner. After food, please don't study. Nothing is going to enter. With your heavy stomach, don't go to sit and study. Program yourself properly. After your dinner, you need to always relax properly, sleep sufficiently. Use more hours in the morning, dear students. That does not mean that's the absolute. Not at all. If you decide to study even at 12 o'clock in the night, I am going to remember. If you decide, it will happen. It will happen to you. At present, all the mobiles are in your hand. Please put away the mobiles, students. To become friendly with your own books and the notes that you made. Yeah, you want to search something to clear your doubt? Please use it. To keep it away. Because they have already strained your eyes, they have already strained your mind. It has already affected you. Now you have to gain back. So the best thing that you need to do is every day you need to believe in yourself. Strain your, all that you receive from outside, strain that. Take only the good things. Many people will make many comments. They are not yours. If you feel they are not yours, let them out. The other day, yesterday, I was talking to the students, please use helmet while you use the two-wheeler. I spoke to the boys inside my office, and from outside, the one who was looking after this issue, sir said, sister, there are very many girls. You know what was the reaction of the girls. They just gave a clap and laughed loudly. I came out and I told them, dear children, please remember to clap when you meet with an accident also. And then your head get affected. Will you kindly remember to laugh then also and clap also, I said. What do I get? I am not riding any two-wheeler. What do I get by talking this to them? I have to talk. I cannot go and tell them how wonderful students you don't use the helmet. I can't do that because in the last year, previous year, I had bad experience of my own students who lost the entire year because of this. We do not know when it is going to turn on us. Why do you take risk? Why do you take risk? You know that you are preparing for your board exams. Because of your no other go, you have to use your two-wheeler. I have allowed you. But my condition was come in your helmet. That's all is my condition. My concern is your health and your safety. My concern is not your beauty. My concern is not your beauty. So, you need to strain them. Yes, it's very natural for all of you, know. One big bundle, group of girls have not used the helmet. Very happy, gave one clap. I used my own method of telling them by Wednesday, ultimatum. By Wednesday, if you do not have helmet, I am going to write your name, your parents' name and the phone number, and then yes, I am going to give it to the station to tell them I am not going to be the responsible person because I have done it myself. I strained it. First, the trial was continuously told them, please do understand this. 15 days I am watching, nothing is changing. So, my next is training. Next step I took. And now the third step is going to be the ultimatum on Wednesday. Do you think I am saving my head? Now, did you understand? I cannot change you. I can only give you an environment to change you. Who has to change? Yes? When something goes wrong on the road, am I losing? It's you who are losing. Things have happened. So, dear students, in life, remember to strain things. All the negative comments, you need to strain them out and remember good things about you. Yesterday also I checked in another class. I asked one person, tell something about you. She took nearly a little time to tell something about herself. I asked her friend immediately she said, she's a kind person, sister. Friend knows immediately. But I do not know immediately to give what I am. I am Sister Rita and my second name is Perseverance. My second name is Perseverance. I do not give up things by saying one. When I came to this school, I saw most of the students sitting with one leg over the other. I did it continuously for 3 months. Whenever I walked around, from there, I will show, please put your leg down, sit properly, respectfully in front of your teacher. The education is equal to, is God's grace for us. We all do the puja of all the goddess or gods who give us wisdom. We do. How can you then cross your leg and sit there? Is it understood? Yes. This is what I told you. In all our religions we do that. Today, Sister Rita walking and looking is enough. Leg automatically comes down. This is called perseverance. That's why I call my name as, my second name is perseverance. I don't say once, twice or thrice. Till I am able to convince you, I'll keep telling. And I don't tell anything and everything. This is what means. Am I clear to you?
Yes.
What are you? What are you? Please find out. What are you? What do you believe in the most? What do you believe in the most? Do you believe if you get 90% you are the best?
No.
Thank God you are normal. Not at all, students. That's why every year we celebrated the best student who helped one another, who is the finest, who respected the most, who related to one another happily, who helped the other child to study, who was kind. That child we gave the first award. Only then, after the result, we gave the second award is the best marks. Hardly one certificate, students, and one small trophy. That's all. But the first thing we have done is the best child in behavior, in values, we gave them the first award. What is the use, children? You have all the knowledge and you are not able to behave, respect one another, love one another, live peacefully with one another. What is the use of your marks? They will all say, that person has lots of head weight. You don't even have a proper friend of you. What's the use? It said that count your life with the number of friends you have. Not the years of life. With the number of friends you have. Not with the years of your life. How well are you able to relate to one another? Do you believe? I read yesterday. 2020, 2021 to IIT. 2019 to 2020, this year, pandemic year, this year had the highest number of suicide in the country. Highest number of suicide in the country. Because we were able to eat maybe 1000 rupees a meal or 500 rupees a meal or 100 rupees a meal. When it came to a standstill, I am not able to go to it with 70 rupees a meal or a 50 rupees a meal. I am not able to hold it. This is food level. But there are people who lost their business very, very highly. Many got into debt. Many lost hope and landed up into finishing one's own life. Students, money comes and goes. Difficulties also, they come and go. What remains is you and your belief in your own self, in your parents. Believe that. In your teachers, believe that. In their educational system, believe them. They are teaching you something wonderful. All your question papers of all the subject will have experienced level of questioning you. They will give you a situation. How will you apply this knowledge into your real life? Prepare yourself that way. Prepare yourself that way. So kindly remember, my first exercise is to you. From today onwards, whatever comments you get, remember to strain them. Are they going to be constructive for me? Or are they going to become destructive? Constructive means they are positive. Are they going to spoil my mood at the day and my thinking and my feeling? Strain them out. Remember that to throw them out. Am I clear? The very first thing. Remember to strain. Will you? Yes. Then after this we will go into number of exercises. I will give you exercises. I will make you to do here, and then sir will be doing the video of you doing those exercises, and then I request you to see these videos repeatedly. Not once or twice. Things will not settle inside you. You don't have to sit down and listen. You are just doing your daily walk or something like that. You just put on and listen. That's enough. And it will settle you and help you to solve your own problems, help you to strain properly and become positive. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please write down from today onwards one thing that you have strained one day. One thing that you have strained one day. Am I clear?
Yes.
Please remember to do that. Don't say only yes. Do it. In the next class I might ask you, what have you strained yesterday? Then you should be able to tell me, truly I strained 2 things yesterday. Yesterday I told you, no, my wonderful, wonderful girls, they did a clapping. I strained. If I wanted, I could have told, I'm not going to do anything else for you. Let it happen, I could have sat there. No, I strained out their clapping sound. Then I came out and I told them, nothing doing, I am not going to clap with you. I am going to teach you, continue to teach you to do the right thing in life. There are families, parents who have only one child. Due to not using the helmet, lost that son, wonderful son. Today they are distributing helmet every year. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, your head is much precious than the helmet, children. Helmet will come and go. Head cannot come and go. Remember that. So, I believed that and I saved. I have decided to save my students. Teach them the right thing, what they need to learn. That's why I said my second name is perseverance. एक बार बोल के मेरी नहीं रुकती. Till you believe, I continue. So you tell repeatedly yourself, I do my best. And whatever marks I get, that is not the final of my life. That's not the final result of my life. I have still scope to grow in my life. I believe in myself. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Then say loudly, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I lifted my hand. Where is your hand? I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Please raise your hand.
Yes.